Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular messaging apps, WhatsApp, and how you can potentially earn money through it. WhatsApp is an app that most of us use daily, and while it's great for staying connected with friends and family, it can also be a powerful tool to generate income. So, let's dive in. Affiliate marketing. The first way you can earn money through WhatsApp is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for each sale you generate. You can become an affiliate marketer for different products and services and share your affiliate links on WhatsApp. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Sponsored content. The second way to earn money is by sharing sponsored content. If you have a large following on WhatsApp, you can get paid by companies to share sponsored content with your audience. You can partner with companies that align with your values and interests and create content that resonates with your audience. Selling products or services. The third way to earn money through WhatsApp is by selling your products or services. WhatsApp is a great platform to communicate with potential customers and sell your products or services. You can showcase your products and services and answer any questions your customers may have. This can lead to more sales and revenue for your business. Paid membership groups. The fourth way to earn money is by creating a paid membership group on WhatsApp. You can offer exclusive content, services, or access to resources for a fee. This is a great way to build a community of like-minded individuals and generate recurring revenue. Microtasking. Finally, you can earn money through microtasking. Some platforms pay people to complete simple tasks like data entry or survey taking, and you can potentially do these tasks on WhatsApp. You can join these platforms and complete tasks during your free time to earn extra income. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 5 ways to potentially earn money through WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp does not allow any kind of monetization on their platform, and they may take action against accounts that violate their terms of service. So, it's essential to read and follow their guidelines carefully. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.